say first, I know he's not here, but I want to thank Will, because Will, you, not FG, Will. Okay, I just want to thank Will because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here right now because he gave me ownership of the Red Arrows group not too long ago. So thanks to him. He was a great owner as well. And I want to say thanks to Spaghetti over here for helping me out with everything, with deving and all that, and helping me out with making this training possible, this airshow possible, doing all the training and everything for it, whatever. And I want to thank the 2 spectators for still being here. So I'm sure you've probably seen the sort of schedule for the air show today, but I'm just going to say, first off, we've got a short little Red Arrows display from me and Spaghetti. We've then got my solo heritage flight in the MiG-15. We then have the new RAF fleet display, just showing all the different aircraft, and then we've got a short sort of speech announcement kind of thing from me and Spaghetti about leaving the Red Arrows to die and starting with the new RAF server. So anyway, if you 2 want to stay here, Will, you just do whatever you're doing. You two can stay here, and me and Spaghetti are gonna go and grab our aircraft.
Do you want me to go and grab the helicopter?
No, I'll be fine. You just stay up there. Me and Spaghetti are gonna go to Greater and grab our aircraft. We're gonna head over. Okay.
Can we go on stage?
To all viewers, we are going to be staying in the voice channel, so you will be hearing all the red one.
Can I just say, if you all just stay on that roof for the duration of the air show for me, just be nice so we don't get distracted by anyone running around. And if while we're obviously in the breaks, you can unmute and chat between yourselves while we're preparing for the next section. But I'd ask that during the different sections of the air show, while we're flying, if you could stay muted. And if you do want to say anything about what's happening, if you could say it in chat. Me and Spaghetti will have chat closed, so don't try and say anything to us and ask us why we're not looking at it. But you can chat amongst yourself during the air show with game chat, but I'd ask that you stay muted in the VC during the different sections.
Okay.
But yeah, me and Spaghetti are going to stay in the VC so that you'll hear all the Red One commands, etc. Oh, by the way, this police guy, just ignore him.
Do you want me to bring him up or not?
Nah, just leave him. Actually, I'm going to kick him again.
Why?
I mean, it's always more viewers. You don't really have to do that.
Oh, it's a Kieran guy.
Oh, it is him.
Is he back in the VC as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, should be. Yeah. I'm just going to kick him.
Might as well ban or something.
I'm just going to kick him. If he rejoins, then he's dead. Okay. Hang on. I'm just gonna.
Do you want us to mute ourselves now?
Yeah. If you all mute yourselves now, and we'll get on with it. And then when we've finished, if you just wait till we've landed and parked up, and then you guys can unmute during the break and just chat amongst yourselves. Because I'll be getting ready for the next section, so I'm sure Spaghetti will just talk to you guys and tell you about what's going on. There's no way. I'm not going to keep kicking this guy, so just ignore him while we're flying. Hopefully
Why do you keep kicking me anyway?
Because you're being annoying.
I'm trying to come and watch your gay air show that's probably not going to succeed and you're going to crash into the floor.
That's what I'm saying. You're being annoying, so just go away.
I'm trying to watch you crash into the floor.
Right, I'm
Get
just
muted.
gonna ban him. Okay.
When it's deafening.
There is no point for him to even join the Royal Air Force, so yeah.
Yeah, he's gone.
I'm just gonna kick him now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of him from game as well.
Alright, can we start this
Hang
watching?
on. 1 second.
Sorry
It's
about that,
like magic.
everyone.
I'm unmuted, motherfuckers.
Yeah. Get banned. Hang on, I'll do it. Okay, he's gone. You've done it already.
Right.
Will, are you going to rejoin or not?
Right. Now we're actually
I'm
gonna
trying to
start.
join.
Sorry for the delay. Right.
Wait,
Ready?
no, hang on.
This always happens at our trainings. He always takes super long to get ready.
You know, someone's just DMing me. Fuck off. Okay, good. Yeah, we're ready.
Ready? Right. 30% throttle. Reds. Rolling. Now.
Yeah, we're at greater. It just, I don't know, it just looks better to come over from greater. Oh, Will's joined. Okay.
Gear up. Go. Alright, again, this is red one. Just to ask you, keep yourself muted during the duration. Thank you. Coming left now. Leveling out now. Leveling out now.
Okay, increase throttle 80%.
Copy that, 80.
Yeah, okay. If you'll just bear with us while we're flying over, shouldn't be too long.
For everyone, you can talk until we tell you
Yeah,
to
you
mute.
guys,
So you can-
while we're flying over, it's fine. Just when we get closer, we'll ask you all to mute. You guys can talk now.
Okay.
And we'll, yeah.
Will, I'm going to...
Slut children.
Black children now.
You guys, guess what?
Yeah.
If you plant birdseed in the ground, it'll grow pelicans.
Bullshit.
I've literally saw a...
Will, are you just joining the game now? Or is it like still loading?
Mate, I literally have no idea what's going on.
Oh, I just realised Smithy's here. Cool.
Yeah.
Reds ascending now. I asked that everyone mutes,
Yeah, okay.
please. We're
Red's decrease throttle 35.
35.
Well, yeah, you go 35.
Ascend 300.
Descending 300. Okay, throttle 30%.
Alright. Red 1, white smoke. Red 2, red smoke. Leveling out.
Okay, descend to 300 feet.
Cover that, descend 300. Ready?
Smoke on.
Smoke on.
Go.
Go. Smoke off. Go. Alright. Alright. So red's coming left now. Red's disregard. Descending.
Okay, 35% throw.
Receive 35. Alright, red 1, so white smoke, red 2, red smoke.
Descend 200 feet.
200. Smoke on, go. Coming right now.
Smoke off.
Leveling
Go.
out now. Smoke off, yeah.
Okay, 30% throw.
Received 30.
Well, 25 for you.
Red 2, you. What is our next formation gonna be again?
Tornado.
Copy that, tornado.
Just give me 1 second.
Copy that.
Okay. Coming left now. Okay, I'm 30%, you go to 25.
Copy that. Red 1, white smoke, red 2, your choice.
Yeah, I'll go red still.
Copy that.
Okay.
Leveling out now.
This is so cool.
Smoke on. Go.
Red 2. Tornado, go. Smoke off, go. Red 2, forward up. Red 1's red 2. Our next formation.
Next is just formation with break.
Copy that.
Coming left
Alright.
now. I'll go to 35, you go to 30.
Received 30. Alright. Red 1. Let's do it differently. Red 1, red smoke. Red 2, also red smoke.
Okay, firm. Okay, red 1 on right wing.
Received. Right wing. Leveling out.
Okay, 200 feet, leveled out at 200.
200 received.
Okay,
On your go.
keep smoke.
Smoke on. Go. On your go.
Okay. Reds, break, break, break. Go. Reds, smoke off. Go.
Red 1 landing. Red 2 on formation.
Okay, red 2 coming right. You know what I find funny? He keeps saying it's terrible, but he doesn't even know how to spell it. So, you know, kind of funny.
Keep this to the max realism.
Yeah, I
please.
know. Sorry, I just had to mention that. Okay, red 1. Yeah, I'll stay behind in formation.
You're doing the knife's edge, correct?
Yeah, but you're landing first.
Oh, no, you do it first.
Okay,
I'll land.
sure. Yeah, you just stick behind then.
Received.
Okay, everyone. Last thing for the red arrows. Just want to mention that this is going to be the last thing. Yeah, last move for the red arrows ever. Well, for this red arrows group. So, hope you enjoy it. Going to try and keep it slow, just to make it look good. Okay, red 2 coming in for red arrow's last move, knife's edge.
Red 1 coming in for landing.
Yeah, red 1, just stick behind. I'm at 30%. I'm at 30%, so you might want to just sort of hang around there. Okay, everyone, here we go. Red 2, knife's edge. Let's go. Okay, red 2, smoke is coming on.
Right, clear comms. I just want to say for everyone, thank you for being with us, even though you, some of you only have been here for a day. I just want to thank you for all the support, even though the server has been very inactive, but most of you have been online for quite a while. And I just want to say again, thank you for everyone that's helped with everything, really. And I hope that the Royal Air Force will be a better start or have a better life than the ptfs Red House did. Red 1 short final, red 2 please land. Alright, to all the whole audience, you may now unmute and yeah.
Can I just say that was a great display?
That was awesome.
Will, can you just
Thanks a lot.
stop where you are? Can you not try and get near to the runway, please? Am I gonna come pick
Yeah, we pressed all people to stay on the
Okay,
parking garage.
red 2 to red 1, we're on final.
That was probably the best
Look at that
intro
red
I've ever
one.
seen.
Really?
Thanks a lot.
Red 1.
Can you do it again, please?
Clear.
Can we do it again? Just get Owen to DM you the footage. He recorded the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Well, you can probably put it in the server anyway.
Yeah, you can just put it in the server and DM it to. Actually, yeah, just put it in the server.
Yeah,
It'll be
I'll
fine.
put it in the server.
Just everyone.
I think I might have the best bit because I've got my graphics on full, so because I'm on a proper gaming laptop. So
Yeah, you can. I'm giving you permission to ping everyone and just